stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you. Just
14th agenda, there will be announcement. At this noteworthy training program by getting graduated today. I'm also a trainer.
Happy morning, honored chief guest, respected principal, associate principal, cultural high school headmistress, middle school headmistress, central head of KALIGI IMTTI, energetic trainers, staff, alumni, and most importantly, graduates, family and friends. Welcome to the graduation ceremony of 10th, 11th and 12th batch.
It is time to welcome all my co-trainers, staffs, families, friends and relatives gathered here.
I'd like to call Mrs. Deepika, one of the candidates from 11th batch, to talk about her experience in KALIGI Nursery Teacher Training Academy. With this happy start, I will be sharing my experience in this institute with you all. But still, I will give it my best. Before that, I would like to thank our respected Jayalakshmi ma'am, our best and efficient trainers, Archana ma'am and Anita ma'am.
I would like to share my experiences and also the positive impact of the Montessori course in my life. Without any hesitation, I enrolled myself for the workshop. This workshop was conducted by Jayalakshmi ma'am, which inspired me to enroll myself for this course.
I welcome all the graduates from the other states and other countries who have joined in online with us for the graduation day. I am Jayalakshmi, primary headmistress of our school and a sector head of IMTTI of KALIGI Nursery Teacher Training Academy.
I wish you all the very best for this journey, and I appreciate you for selecting this as your field for your career. Trust me, there are not many teachers that we can avoid. We struggle a lot to find good teachers. There are all the schools are looking for good teachers. I'm very, very hopeful that you would all be very successful and loved by all the children that you're going to teach in future. All the very best to you all.
Thank you so much, dear. And thank you, my father. He has come over here to collect my graduation certificate. Thank you, my father, for coming over here to collect my graduation certificate. Thank you so much.
And I'm from the 10th batch. Today, I am going to give a PowerPoint presentation on the topics consonant blend and diagram.
John. Hello, Jeannie. How are you? I'm fine, Johnny. How about you?
After stepping into the premises, I felt like I have stepped into a universe of education, where education spreads in the form of Center Head Jayalakshmi ma'am, Suma ma'am, Deepika ma'am.
I owe my special thanks to all the young graduates who are putting a lot of efforts to make this occasion a phenomenal episode. I would also like to thank our head of Eurokids in Perambur, Devi ma'am, for helping us in organizing this event. Thank you, ma'am.